Hello and welcome to my tutorial. This tutorial is about how to digitize a design using Fusion 360. First of all, I want to mention that I'm not a designer and it takes some time and progress for me to get a design that I like. But in the end, I think my design comes out pretty decent. Starting with Fusion 360, I first created a square which has a side length of 45 millimeters. Then I get to the edges and created a smooth edge rounded with a radius of 4 millimeters for every edge. I used the outline function to create a thickness of 2 millimeters for the outer ring. In the next step, I used the text insertion function to insert the letters F and D. For the letters you can choose between different fonts and different sizes according to your design. After you've placed the letters in the right spots according to your design, you now can draw the first lines. The most lines I created using a normal curve, but for some lines I used a spline, for example the curve near the F. Now we can give the lines a thickness by using the outline function as before. You can choose if you want to give one or two outlines depending on where you draw your middle line, for example. Now you can trim off the lines which get through the outlines of your design. If there are lines which can't reach your outline or other lines, you can extend them normally and then just trim them as you did it before. Now we need to get rid of the lines inside the D to create a normal empty D. Therefore we close the lines or the shapes and then get rid of the inside lines as before. To create a design that can be machined by a CNC machine, you need to create a radius in every corner. So my smallest end mill has a diameter of 1 millimeter. So for my design, the corners need to get a radius of 0.5 millimeter. Now you can finish your design, your sketch, and create a part. In the part, the design, so the lines and the letters, are now merged together. And now we can go to the intersection and work on the radius for the end mill. Now your design is digitalized and you can transfer your file to your CNC machine. Thanks for watching.